we are going to see last fillet option, full round fillet. So this is we created a simple design to understand how to choose. So select fillet, and the fourth one is and last option is full round fillet. Just click it. 3 items of fillet or 3 sets appear here. In this option you have to select 3 faces of a body or a part, then it will convert these 3 faces into a full round fillet. So here 3 bodies are there, so we will select each and every one by one and we will see how it happens. So now item to fillet, select top surface, then click on second surface, select this side is as a second surface, or you can say center face set. Third one, choose bottom. See, it is almost going to be a round. You can see the preview. Select OK. Now see, convert this as color as a red. Now see, it is converted a round. Now the same as we will do for the second one. Choose fillet, full round fillet, select first face, second face, and go to bottom, third face. You have to choose 3 consecutive faces, then only it will round. Select OK. We will assign this also the same color what we chosen. Now the last option is octagon, hexagon. So select fillet, select top surface, then this side you can choose any one. Okay, let's choose second one, and the last bottom. But see, there is no preview. That means this selection is not allowed to select more than one. So just delete one face. Now see the preview, you can see. So just select. See. So this is called full round fillet. Here you cannot define any dimension or anything. It will just take the dimension, original dimension from the drawing, and it will convert it into a radius. See, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and it is very important tool in SolidWorks.